for the past few millennia. I've been sitting in the dark, secluded corner of Schmitleybones' lion's den, while Sausage McLink plays his stringed instrument, and while Schmitleybones goes to the bank. But what about me? What about Simple Jim? When do I get a shot at singing? I sit in that corner playing those drums. But what are those drums anyways? Are they mere instruments of percussion? I think not. They are instruments symbolizing my imprisonment and my self-inflicted deprivation of society. Quoth Simple Jim, nevermore.
All right, you kookamonger. Why don't you just get up there and sing your stupid stinking song, huh?